Hello, today I will read screw gauge. Screw gauge is also an instrument which is used to measure the length or thickness of very thin bodies. Okay, think the case of vernier caliper, where 1 mm, that is 1 MSD is equal to 1 mm, were divided into 10 equal parts, and the least count was 0.01 mm or 0.01 cm. Further, we cannot divide 1 mm. It is divided into 10 parts. If we divided 1 mm into 20 equal parts or 50 or 100 parts, then there will be very much difficulties in counting the least count or the counting the length of the particular thickness of a geometrical body. In order to avoid these difficulties, screw gauge is used. A screw gauge can divide 1 mm or 0.5 mm, 1 mm into 100 parts or 0.5 mm into 50 parts. Okay. In both the cases, the least count is LC. Least count will be 0.01 mm. Okay, that is 10 micrometer. Okay, least count will be, how the least count will be calculated, we will discuss later. Okay, this is so it can count up to 10 micrometer. Then so this is also called a micrometer. So screw gauge is also called micrometer because it can count up to 10 micrometer. Let's discuss a little about the morphology of the screw gauge. Okay, this is a metallic U-frame under which this is stud or anvil on, and this is a spindle. Under between this stud and spindle, the geometrical body which measurement is to be taken is kept, and it is held by the two jaws of the U-frame. Okay, when you push, this is called the circular scale. This is the circular scale, this is the main scale. Okay, and a line, this line is called the base line. Okay, and here is the zero mark of the main scale, and here is the zero mark of the circular scale. This is the circular scale, this is circular scale, this is main scale, this is circular scale. This is called thimble. When the thimble is rotated anticlockwise, the mouth of the thimble or the circular scale moves towards the zero of the baseline. Okay, and when it is rotated clockwise, then it is loosened or it goes away from the zero of the baseline. Okay, this is called rechet. Rechets are, the function of the rechet is when the two jaws fix or tight the material which measurement is to be taken. It is to share, rechet ensures that the spindle does not move further. Okay, in other words, rechets helps to fix the geometrical shape in between jaws. Okay, now see, the zero of the circular scale coincides with the baseline. Okay, when it coincides with the baseline, okay, then see, the 5 mark is above it and the 45 mark is below the 0. Okay, always remember this. Then how to read, how the readings are taken. There are two readings, main scale reading and circular scale reading. How main scale is read? When the geometrical shape or a thin sheet is inserted between the two jaws of the U shape, then the thimble is tightened and mark and see where the mouth of the thimble cross the which line of the main scale. Okay, let it crossed the 3 MSD. Okay, 3 division, then 3 division into pitch. What is pitch? Pitch is defined as when one rotation of the thimble completes, then how much distance it traveled. Okay, when the thimble of this instrument completes one rotation, the distance traveled by the circular scale is called pitch. Okay, this pitch is generally is equal to 1 MSD, 1 main scale division. Okay, in this case the 1 main scale division is 0.5. as you can see this. Circular scale reading, how circular scale reading are taken? When the main scale reading is taken, then see which of the circular scale division coincide with the baseline or the main line or the pitch line. Okay, let in this case this is the 0 mark of the circular scale. Okay, it coincides with the baseline. Then in this case CSR is equal to 0. When 5 mark coincide with the baseline, okay, then the circular scale reading is 5. Okay, let in this case circular scale reading is 5. Okay, then CSR is equal to 5. How the thickness of the metal sheet is calculated. Thickness T is equal to main scale reading plus circular scale reading into least count minus 0 error. Okay, now we discuss about the 0 error. 0 error is it may be positive 0 error or negative 0 error. Okay, as in the case of vernier scale. Okay, positive 0 error occurs when the two jaws, the stud and the spindle are touch each other and there is no movement. Okay, but in this case if the main scale shows the reading, okay, positive reading, in this case let the circular scale, this is the circular scale. Okay, 0 of the, this is the main scale, this is the 0 of the main scale. If the circular scale crosses the line, this 0 line, okay, the 0 line of the main scale, 0 mark of the main scale, then it is negative 0 error or minus Z. Okay, crosses same as in the case of vernier caliper, minus Z. This is negative 0 error. Okay, when this mouth of the circular scale is here. Okay, left side of the 0 of the main scale, then it is positive 0 error. Okay, we will discuss how it occurs. Okay, positive 0 error. How positive 0 error measured? Let this is 0 and this is 5 mark, this is 45 mark. Okay, this is circular scale, this is the main scale. Okay, now if positive 0 error occurs when the 0 mark, is under the main scale, under the baseline of the main scale. Okay, in this case what will happen? This will be 5, this will be 0. When 0, okay, when 0 is below the main scale baseline, okay, then it is called positive 0 error. Okay, this is the 5 mark, this is the 0 mark. Okay, when it is below the main scale or the baseline, below the baseline of the circular 0 of the circle, 0 division of the circle, 0 mark of the circular scale is below the baseline. Okay, in that case this will be the positive error. Negative 0 error. Okay, this is 45, this is 0, this is the baseline. When the 0 of the circular scale division is above the baseline, this is negative 0 error. Okay, now it is clear about 0 error. What is zero correction? Zero correction is minus positive z minus negative z. Okay, zero correction in case of positive 0 error is minus plus z, in case of negative minus z, and this zero correction is added in the final measurement. Okay, now the formula of the thickness is main scale reading plus circular scale reading into least count plus zero correction, or MSR plus CS circular scale reading least count minus of zero error. That may be plus with proper sign. In case of positive it is positive, in case of negative 0 error it is negative. Okay, now some questions, screw gauge questions. One question is the pitch and the CSD circular scale division are 0.5 and 100. The 0 error lies 3 division below the main line. MSR and CSR are 5.5 mm and 45 respectively. Find the thickness of the wire. Okay, the pitch, we have to count the least count. Least count is equal to PITCH, pitch by number of circular scale division. Here in the case of pitch is equal to 0.5 mm. Okay, and the number of circular division is equal to 100. In this case 0.05 mm least count, or is equal to 0.0005 cm. Okay, now the 0 lies the zero error lies 3 division below the mean line. Okay, this is the mean line. Okay, zero error lies 3 division below the mean line. 3 division below, that is, this is the what? Positive zero error. Positive zero error. This is positive zero error. Okay, zero of the circular rays lies, zero of the circular ray scale lies 3 division below the mean line. Okay, it clear? This is baseline or the main line or mean line, and the zero of the circular scale lies 3 division. Okay, of the baseline. Now we have to calculate the zero error. Zero error is positive. Okay, as it lies 3 division below the main scale. Positive z is equal to 3 into least count. Okay, 3 into least count is 0.005 is equal to 0.015 mm. Remember this. Okay, least reading thickness T is equal to main scale reading 5.5 mm, circular scale reading 45 into L least count. Okay, minus zero error. Zero error is positive, then 0.015 will be subtracted. Okay, then 5.5 plus 45 into least count is equal to 0.005 minus 0.015 mm. This is equal to 5.5 plus, what will be this? This will be from 5 to 0.225. Okay, minus, it will be minus 0.015. Okay, then the total reading will be 0.12 point. Okay, this is 5.5.210 5.710. Okay, mm. Clear? Then the second. In a screw gauge, 5 complete rotation moves linear distance of 0.25 cm. There are 100 circular scale divisions. Main scale and circular scale are 4 and 20 number of zeros. No zero error. Find the thickness of the wire. Thickness is equal to main scale reading plus circular scale reading into least count minus zero error. Okay, main scale reading is equal to 4 number of divisions are moved. Okay, then 4 into 1 MSD. Okay, circular scale reading is 20 into least count minus, there is no zero error, minus 0, no zero error. Okay, 1 MSD is equal to, find. Okay, 5 complete rotation equals to what? 0.25 cm. 1 rotation is equal to 0.05 cm. Okay, pitch is equal to 0.05 cm. Okay, least count is equal to 0.05 by number of division 100. Okay, 0.0005 cm. Okay, least count. we have counted the least count. Okay, 1 MSD is equal to 1 pitch, 4 into pitch 0.05 plus 20 into least count, what, 0.0005 cm, all are same, is equal to, what is this, 4 into 0 by 0.2 cm. Okay, this is 0.2 plus this is this is 0.20. 20 means 0.0100. Okay, that is 20 into 5, 100 by is it okay? This is 100 by 0.01. Okay, this is okay. cm, this is 0.2 plus 0.0100 cm is equal to 0.2100 cm thickness. Okay, now number 3. In a screw gauge, pitch and CSD are 0.5 mm and 50. When jaws are in contact, 14 division coincide with the 0 of the main scale and 0 of the main scale barely visible. The MSR and CSR are 0.5 and 25. Find the thickness. Same formula will be applied. Main scale reading plus CS circular scale reading into least count minus 0 error. Look at when the jaws are in contact 14 division coincide with the 0 of the main scale. Okay. Okay, and 0 of the main scale barely visible. Okay, now this is 40. Okay, where will the 0 will be here, 0. This is negative 0 error. Okay, negative 0 error. And in case of negative 0 error is 50. Total number of circular scale division are here 50. Okay, 50 minus 40 into least count. Find the least count. Least count is equal to 1 MSD pitch. Pitch is equal to 0.5 mm. Number of circular division is equal to 50. This is equal to 0.01 mm. Okay, least count. Now put the formula. MSR is 25. 0.5 MSR 0.5 mm plus CSR is equal to 25 into least count 0.01 minus negative 0 minus negative minus of what, this is least count is equal to 0.01 mm least count, and minus z is equal to 10 into 0.01 mm. Is that clear? mm. Am I right? Minus z, 50 minus 40, least count. Least count is equal to pitch by number of division. Number of division is equal to 50. 50, 0.01 mm. Okay. 10 into least count is equal to 0.1 mm. Okay. Zero point 1 mm plus 0.5 plus 0.25 mm plus 0.1. This is equal to 0.25, 0.1. Okay. This is equal to 5. Zero 0.85 mm. Okay. Thickness is equal to 0.058. And the 4 and 5 is for you to try it. Okay.